Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss about all previous year question PYQ. Let us discuss. In the first question, the following benzyl alkyl system are CH double bond CH2 or benzene with R it is alkyl group. Increasing order of inductive effect. So usually inductive effect minus I and plus I. Plus I mentions what it is, electron donating group. Minus I tells about electron withdrawing group. This we have discussed in this previous videos, right? So in this way here, plus I effect, it is electron donating, it is having more tendency to donate. That means here, according to the order of electron donation tendency, tertiary usually three carbonyl group it is available. So tertiary, it's greater than secondary, and it's greater than primary, and it's greater than methyl. So in that way speaking, which is the correct option, the first one, what it is, CH3 thrice C, it's greater than CH3, twice CH, it's greater than CH3 CH2. So that means it is a tertiary, and here secondary, and it's primary, and here methyl. So exactly this is the point. So first option A is the correct option. Option B, here it is primary and secondary tertiary. No, this is not the correct answer. And the same way secondary, primary and tertiary. No, this is also not the correct answer. And here CH3 thrice it has to be coming. It is not coming properly. So which is the correct option? Option A, that is CH3 thrice C, it's greater than CH3 twice CH, it's greater than CH3 CH2. So tertiary, secondary and primary and methyl. Hope you got the clear idea about inductive effect when we are talking about all this point. Okay, come on, let us go for the next question. The next question tells about when CH3, comma CH3, CH3, and this is methyl, and this is secondary, and this is tertiary groups introduced on benzene ring. So they are mentioning about tertiary, secondary and primary group when it is introduced on benzene ring, the correct order of their inductive effect. This is also somewhat the same question it has mentioned. Okay, come on, let us check with that. The same idea only. The question, it is little bit vary, but the same idea. So this is the benzene ring. In that benzene ring, carbon connected with it. So here they are mentioning introduced with the tertiary. So this is tertiary, CH3, CH3 and CH3. So this is a tertiary, and secondary CH3, CH and CH3, and here benzene ring. Okay, so and then third one, what it is, methyl group which is attached with that benzene ring. This is what they mentioned, no? So tertiary, secondary, primary. So introduced on benzene ring, then the correct order of their inductive effect. So naturally, what will be there? What is your correct answer? Your eyes will go find out what which is the correct option. Tertiary, secondary, primary and methyl. Whether it is alkyl or aromatic, this is the mandatory, because plus I effect, it is there always, it is electron donating group, it is ready to lose the electron, that means it is ready to donate the electron tendency. So naturally, which is the correct option? As we are coming to that last question, and this question more or less same similar question only. So that here tertiary and secondary and methyl. So primary they did not mention here, directly they have given methyl. So this is the correct option. But here first one methyl and the secondary tertiary, no, this is not the correct option. And the same way, this is secondary and this is methyl and this is tertiary, this is also not the correct answer. Here tertiary they have given, but here methyl and secondary. So this is also, so which is the correct option? Option B is the correct option. Hope you got the clear idea. So this is the main thing which is for this question. Okay, now next question, let us discuss the next question. So next question, the correct order of increasing basic strength of the bases: NH3, CH3, NH2 and CH3 twice NH. So usually here minus I effect which increases the what it is, acidic strength, but plus I effect which increases the basic strength. So plus I effect, it is what it is, electron donating group, whereas minus I effect, it is electron withdrawing group. Electron withdrawing group, what it is, electronegativity, more electronegativity. This is more electronegativity, and here electron donating group, it is less electronegativity. You please remember all these ideas. Okay, now in this point, so plus I increases, plus I increases means basic strength also will be increasing. So in this way, see, ammonia, when we are talking about ammonia, amines are more basic than ammonia. So amines is what it is, CH3 NH2, it is amine. So amines are more basic than ammonia. NH3, I just put it. NH3. So amines are more basic than ammonia. So that means which is the correct option you will be bringing over here in this point here. Ammonia, it is the least actually comparatively amines. So in that ammonia, it is least means this is only the correct option. Other than that, this is primary and this is also primary and this is secondary. Usually ammonia, it is actually less basic than primary and then secondary. So which is the correct option? Ammonia, it is the least basic, then primary and then secondary. Okay, so secondary amine, it is more basic than primary and then ammonia. Okay, so here you will get that idea about this. CH3NH2, it is more basic than ammonia, so naturally NH3 increasing order only, so from smaller to bigger, so this is the least basic, and then CH3NH2 and then CH3 twice NH. Got it? So this is the correct option. Option A is the correct option. Come on, let us go for the next question. So the next question, it is IUPAC name of CH3COCH CH3 twice. So here, which is the correct option here? 4-methyl isopropyl ketone. First, let us write that structural formula: CH3, C double bond O, CH, here CH3 and here CH3. Okay, so in that way, here where is the functional group, there only we have to start that numbering system. Okay, so that means from here if we start 1 2 3, whereas from here we can start 1 2, whereas from here also we can start 1 2 3. So that means we can start it from here only 1 and here 2 and then 3. So that means 3 methyl will start from that. So 3 methyl, 1 2 3 4 but. Okay, so 3 methyl 2 butanone. So the 3 methyl 2 butanone. So B is the correct option. Hope you got that idea about naming ceremony of this compound, right? Okay, next one, yeah, this one, cycloalkane compound. Cycloalkane compound, usually which is that substituent group, which is that functional group, you know very well. So substituent group and functional group, you will give the priority for functional group. Okay, in this point OH it has mentioned, in this point 2 methyl group it is there. So functional group, where you will give that naming from OH only, no? So that means you will give the naming numbering for here 1, 2 and here 3. So third position, methyl group, it is there only one line. So that means it is a methyl group. So what it is, 3 dimethyl 1 hydroxy cyclohexane. So this is cyclohexane. So which is the correct option? Option A is the correct option. A is the correct option. 3 dimethyl. So this is 3 dimethyl 1 hydroxy. So this is a functional group. So we are giving the numbering 1. So 1 hydroxy cyclohexane. Hope you got that idea. Okay, come on. Let us go for the next question. What is the question? Or C double bond O, here Z combined with nucleophile, you will be getting or C double bond O nucleophile, which is going to attach over here. So that means which is leaving out. Okay, now as fastest when Z is, so Z might be what group it has to be attached over here. So that means here Cl NH2 OC2H5 OCOCH3. Usually, nucleophile which is going to attack this point means it has to be a very good leaving group. It has to be so good leaving group. Good leaving group. So good leaving group means it might be what is it? Electron withdrawing group. So electron withdrawing group, it is minus I effect will be there. So you please remember, and one more thing, it has to be more electronegativity. So these are all you can consider. So naturally you will get that idea. So among this, of course, Cl, it is more electronegativity comparatively here, right? Now next one, of course, this is a electron withdrawing group comparatively here, and it is good leaving group, of course. So this is the Cl. It is actually correct option for among all this. NH2, it comes under basic strength. OC2H5, this is alkyl, no? So alkyl, it is a plus I effect. And the same is OCOCH3 also. So plus I effect which will not come over here, only minus I effect. So minus I effect only, electron negativity will be more, and electron withdrawing group. So it is a good leaving group. So this is only the correct option. Hope you got the better idea about this question. So which is the correct option? Option A. Now next question. So the next question, consider the acidity of the carboxylic acid. Here, consider the acidity of carboxylic acid. Here, benzoic acid, orthonitrobenzoic acid, paranitrobenzoic acid, and metanitrobenzoic acid. Here, that is what formula I have given. Here, first one, or benzoic acid. Here, ortho substituted compound. Generally, ortho substituted compound, it will be more stronger acidic than any other. And one more thing here, nitro group it is there. So nitro group means what it is? Electron withdrawing group, more electronegativity, and this is electron withdrawing group, and this belongs to minus I effect. So minus I effect means acidic strength will be increasing, right? So these are all the points you know very well. So usually ortho substituted group, it is more stronger than any other compound, right? So that means ortho substituted. Why? What is that reason here I just mentioned? So in this point here, purposely I just draw like this. So nitro groups, N double bond O here O. So this oxygen which is connected with hydrogen, which is a intramolecular hydrogen bond. Intramolecular hydrogen bond. So intramolecular hydrogen bond, it is strong, very strong than intermolecular hydrogen. Intra means within the molecule that bond formation, hydrogen bond formation takes place. Intermolecule means in between the molecules, one molecule and another molecule, like water molecule. So one molecule and another molecule, it has taken hydrogen bond formation. So in this way, this will be intramolecular hydrogen bond, it is more stronger than intermolecular hydrogen bond, right? So this is also one more reason that this is very stronger than any other compound. Okay, now this is the first priority I'm giving. The second one, paranitrobenzoic acid. So paranitrobenzoic acid, second highest stronger. Okay, why? Because it is inductive effect, it is a distant dependent, so it has to go from here to here. So this is another one more reason. And electron negativity group, of course, this is only here. And the third one, meta nitro, so position, it is closer, this is closer, and then this position. And here when you're going for resonance effect, usually you will get the place of here minus, and then here minus. That means 2 4 6, try caro, like that it will be there. Okay, so that means which is the correct option here? So B is the first one, and C is the second one, and D is the third one, and A is the last one. So that means B C D A, which is the correct option. B, it's greater than C, it's greater than D, it's greater than A. So which is the correct option? Option D is the correct option. Hope you got the clarity. So ortho, para, meta, and benzoic acid. You please remember, whenever you are getting electronegativity group which is present over here, the same idea you can follow. Hope you got the clarity. Come on, let us go for the next question. The following is the strongest base? Here A, aniline, B, N-methyl aniline, and third one C, it is orthomethyl aniline, and fourth one D, it is benzyl amine. In this, the lone pair of electron which is present in that aniline point, here a nitrogen atom, which is delocalized with the benzene ring, and the same way here also N-methyl aniline also, which is delocalized with the benzene ring. Here also orthomethyl aniline, here also lone pair of electrons which is present in the nitrogen atom, which is delocalized with the benzene ring, whereas benzyl amine CH2NH2, which is not this lone pair of electrons present in that nitrogen atom, which is not delocalized. That means it is not conjugated with the benzene ring. So that means this is localized. These, all these A, B, C, all these lone pair of electrons are delocalized, whereas benzyl amine, it is localized. So localized lone pair of electrons are more basic, usually more basic. In our last video also I have given that example clearly. You just watch that, so you will get that idea. So which is the correct option? So this will be more basic. Why it is more basic? Because it is localized lone pair of electron which is more basic. So D is the correct option. I think you got that idea. Okay, let us go for the next question. Nucleophilicity among the nucleophiles. See, here they have given the nucleophiles, that is acetate ion CH3COO minus, and methoxide CH3O minus, Cn minus, and here CH3 benzene ring with sulfonic anion. Okay, SO3 minus. Okay, in that, which is the how decreasing order of nucleophilicity they are asking. Of course, anions, they have given that anions, no, everywhere anions. Here is the anions, here is the anions, and here also is that anion, and this also it's an anion. Okay, now anions are weak acid. Generally anions are what it is? Weak acids, and it's a strong nucleophiles. So conjugate base, another one more point it is introducing. These are all concept point, please note down. So conjugate base, nucleophile is strong if acid is weak. Yeah, just I would like to mention which are the conjugate base in this point. Here acetate ion, as I mentioned, option A, acetate ion conjugate base of what it is? Acetic acid. And the same way methoxide is a conjugate base of methyl alcohol. Cyanide ions En minus is the conjugate base of HCN, and the same way methyl sulfonic anion, it is what it is, CH3 benzene ring with SO3 minus, that is also conjugate base of SO3H. Now you see, so these are all among. Now which is that strong? Actually acidic order, acidic in nature, which is that correct option? This will be highest. Which will be highest? Fourth one will be highest acidic nature, because here what is it? Electronegativity, that is electron withdrawing group more. So naturally fourth one will be highest, and then next one what it is? Acetate ion, then first one will be that highest. I'm giving that acidic in nature, then I will give that decreasing order of nucleophiles, right? Okay, now first one. Then next one, what it is? Third one, which is the third one? Cyanide ion, and next to that, highest acidic in nature. And the last one, what it is? Second one, what it is? Methoxy ion. Now, I have given this is acidic in nature, right? But in the question, what they have given, in the question they have given decreasing order of nucleophilicity among the nucleophiles. Now that means nucleophilicity, what will be getting, that means here what it is, decreasing order they have given. That means B will be coming first, which is that B. So this will be coming first. And the second one, what it is, this is first one. And second one, what it is, C. This is that second one. And the third one, what it is, this one third. And that last one, what it is, fourth one. So here what is the correct option? B C A D. So B C A D, D is the correct option. I hope you got the 2 points mainly here, clarity. So anion, if they are giving that questions, anion, like such kind of way, here also anion. So in that, anions are weak acids, but they are strong nucleophiles. Another one more, conjugate base. Anions are usually conjugate base. So conjugate base or nucleophile, it's a strong acid. Nucleophiles are strong if acid is weak. Nucleophiles here. Nucleophiles are strong, acid is weak. Okay, now here conjugate base, I have given the clear idea which are that conjugate base among all this. Okay, now in that point, in acidic nature, which is the strong, which is the weak, I have given this answer also. Suppose if they are asking an acidic in nature, so that is also stability, more stability, less stability, among that I have given that idea. Now in this question, which is the correct option, also I have given decreasing order of nucleophilicity among the nucleophiles here, which is the correct option I have given. Hope you got the clarity. Now methoxy ion is the first one, cyanide ion is the second one, third one it is what it is, carboxylic acid, that is carboxylate ion, and the last one SO3H, it's very high, that is what. So decreasing order, no, from smaller to big, BCAD. Hope you got the clarity. Now I think we have gone through so many questions. In our next class, some more interesting all PYQ questions, let us check. Thank you for watching.